Are you looking for a sauce for fish that's easy to make, tastes great, it's a little bit out of the ordinary, it's not your run-of-the-mill tartar sauce, something a little bit more fancy than that? Well then, get ready my friends, this white sauce for fish is perfect for you. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac and we're going to dive into a sauce for fish, a delicious parsley lemon white sauce for fish. Let's go ahead and start this sauce for fish. Start up with the fish, fry them in the pan. Go ahead, remove them from the pan after they're complete and degrease. And then once you've degreased, go ahead, bring that pan back and deglaze with 1/4 of a cup or 63 milliliters of white wine. And we are over medium heat, friends, here. So we're on medium heat, deglazing, and also scraping that fond. You want to make sure that you get every little last bit of that fond up off of that saute pan. Fond is flavor, my friends. Get every single little bit of it. Try to scrape it on the sides, scrape it on the bottom. In the end, you're going to end up with roughly about 1 tablespoon of that reduced liquid. Now that the wine has been reduced, go ahead and add some heavy cream, 3/4 of a cup or 187 milliliters. In it goes. And then we're going to add half of a zest of lemon and some lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or roughly about 12 milliliters. Go ahead and incorporate it all together, scrape it up. We're still over medium heat here, friends. We're going to bring this to a little bit of a boil. We are going to reduce this down until it coats the back of the spoon and is nice and thick. That's roughly about 3 to 5 minutes. And once you can start to see the bottom of the saute pan and it's starting to thicken up a little bit and it coats the back of the spoon, you're ready to go. This sauce for fish couldn't be any easier. It is always a good idea to taste the white sauce for flavor. You can always adjust with a dash of pepper and a little bit of a pinch of salt. And then give this sauce for fish recipe a little bit of a twirl with the spoon. And then you're going to turn off heat and we're going to add the star ingredient of the show, the parsley. We're going to go ahead and throw it in, 2 tablespoons, my friends, and it goes off heat. And this white sauce for fish recipe, it is not only delicious, it is just absolutely simple to make. 5 simple ingredients, throw everything together in the saute pan. A couple minutes later, voila, there you go. It's absolutely fantastic, ready to go with your fried fish, sauteed fish, grilled fish, you name it. It's absolutely delightful, my friends. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this white sauce for fish recipe. Please do leave your comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And if you want to jump on that sauce and gravy flavor train, go ahead and smash that subscribe button on the bottom right hand side of the page for the latest and greatest videos. And as always, my friends, remember to live, love, and make gravy.